My channel. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to create a set of spooky Christmas nails, just kind of on these 5 here, just to kind of see what the maniology set that I got can do. Just to see if it kind of holds up, like, you know, a lot better than the Winnie the Pooh ones did, but we will definitely see. So I do have my nails already all prepped and ready to put I'm going to put a base coat on. I'm going to use this as kind of like below like everything, just so, because I really like the sparkles and stuff. So I'm going to see how that holds up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put the base coat on and I will be right back. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the Born Pretty. It doesn't really have a color. It's just BWH72. Basically, that's where I'm getting it, right over here. So I'm just going to put this on as the main kind of, I guess, not really like the base coat, but just the main color. And I really like this. Nice and sparkly, especially for Christmas, the holidays. I celebrate Christmas, so I always say like Christmas, but if anyone is celebrating Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, any holidays that you are celebrating, I wish you your happy holiday and a great new year and a happy, healthy new year. Hopefully everybody's doing okay. Hopefully everybody is not getting too sick. I know there are quite a few that have gotten pretty sick. And it's pretty sad, you know, like I know the meningococcal, there's that is going around. Actually, my 15-year-old back, oh gosh, he was small. He was pretty small, and he ended up in the hospital because he had meningococcal, and you know, we could have lost him. I mean, I'm so glad that the one doctor at the urgent care, he was like, oh, no. You know, he needs to be rushed to the emergency and they need to get him checked out pretty quickly. And so it was scary, but I got him all, you know, I got him rushed there, and I'm just so glad that I did. But he's fine now. He does have some long-term effects, and pretty much the long-term effects, he's having problem with his hearing, and he has he said something about his sight, but we're getting all that stuff checked out too. So I just want to make sure everything is pretty good with him. So what I'm going to do, so don't forget, we do have these ones here that I did get from the maniology. So I've got the green, I've got the green, and I've got the purpley red. So the Hail Santa and Holly Hell. So I'm definitely using those. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see maybe if I want to do any, reverse stamping. I'm not sure yet, but I do know that there is one here that I'm like looking at, which is like this deer one right here. Oh my gosh, that looks so, I don't know, it looks really neat. So I'm definitely going to do that, and I think I might put that maybe on the ring finger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all set up here, and I'm going to do it in the Hail Santa, which is like the purpley color, purpley red. And I'm going to I should probably open these up first. There we go. All right. So let's see here. Not too shabby. Let's see how that looks on the ring finger here. Oh. Let's see. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. I really like that. I might even like think about doing something like around it as well. That is really cute. I really like that. The reason why like they're all different sizes is because I thought to myself, you know what, if they're really cute and everything, maybe for Christmas or something, maybe I'll put them on, because like these here, these are my press-ons as well. So these are actually the ones that I did on the one video. Now, I was recording how I was doing the designs and everything like that on what I was going to do. Sorry, guys, I can't talk today. But I lost it. And I'm wondering if it's just because my phone sometimes gets full on the SD card. So I'm thinking that's how I lost it. So, but one day I will, like, you know, I'll go through like something like that. But they are on, completely on. I'm so excited. So now I need to find a oh, what's it called? Those wipes. These ones right here. Just trying to find that so I can clean up the stamping plate. So yeah. So far, I just had to maneuver that a little bit. All right, so let's see what else kind of catches my attention. I'm thinking, let's see if there's anything. Oh, we've got this ho ho ho, so maybe I'll do that one, and maybe that one I'll do with this green. Let's just see. I was hoping that I had that in the oh, that is so cute. Hold on one second, guys, here. Look how cute that is. Aw. Ho, ho, ho. All right, so what I'm going to do with that one is maybe actually put it the right way. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So it's ho, ho, ho. That's so cute. I think that one I'll probably put, I guess, on the pointer finger. Oh, I like that green with the background. Very sparkly. I really like that. All right, so I really do like these two colors. They are working out really well, which is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and see what I can find for the other nails. Let's see here. Like, there's so many really cool designs and stuff too. You know what? I want to see what one of these looks like on a full nail. is there anything over on this side? Let's see what these ones. Okay, so there's the pumpkins with the Santa hats, the ugly Christmas sweater. You know what? I want to try that one because I know I did it, I believe, on the swap me, but I'd really like to try that on a full nail, and I think I'm going to do it with the purple. So let's just see what I can do here. And I'll probably do this on the thumb. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it on the thumb. Let's see how well this turns out. That's really cool, guys. Oh, I really, really, really like this. Oh, that is so neat. All right. Let me take the thumb. Let's, it's not even gonna fill the whole thumb actually. The thumb is huge. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I really love that. Ah, I love it, I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, like I definitely, so far, I definitely highly recommend these plates. I'm not sure. I don't know if, I know they do put them out later, I believe. That I don't know, but oh my goodness, I really, really, really like these. Oh, I really like these plates. I know I'm definitely going to get a really good use, like a really good use out of these. Let's see if I can do a full green one. And I'm thinking I might do the snowflakes with the skulls, the spiders, the bats. I think I want to do that, and I'm going to do it with the green. And I'm going to do that on my middle finger. Where did I put it? Right there. Because I really like that design too. I know a lot of people don't douse their things like I do, but myself, what I've noticed is that I get better, kind of like a better layout. So pick all that stuff up. That's all right if that does that. That doesn't bother me because this is a smaller nail too, so that's not going to bother me. So the middle one, so let's see how this goes. Oh, that looks so neat. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that, guys. That is so neat. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love it. Definitely stamping can be fun. It can also be very tedious if you are just starting out with stamping. It can be extremely tedious. And that is what I have learned ever since I have started stamping. And I have been stamping, I can't remember if I told you guys my story about when I worked at Two Waves. I started stamping from them because a lot of the customers, like, they would come in and they would ask for certain stamping designs and stuff. So I was just like, oh, what's stamping? Because I know a couple of people in my aesthetics class. I'm positive that they were doing stamping in class, but I never had hands-on experience or anything because people just bring in their own stuff. So I was like, oh, okay, whatever. But I never got to do it. So it is what it is. Don't care. I'm all good. But now I've been doing it and I love it. I'm going to try and do the Christmas tree with the bats, and I'm going to do purple. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do a purple. I have not yet mastered doing different colors. I have not yet mastered that. So maybe one day, you know, I'll do like a video and, you know, get to do the, get to do something like that, like a multicolor. Okay, so this is what it looks like right there. So then here's the nail. Let me see what I can do here, because I definitely want the star on there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, I just, look at that. I got the star right at the top. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, so my final thoughts on this. So I'll do my final thoughts while I clean up, and then I put my top coat on. So these ones here were a lot easier to work with. Much, much, much easier to work with than the Winnie the Pooh. That is definitely for sure. So with that being said, I do recommend checking out the Manny and Me. Sometimes, like I said, they might have a hit, they might have a miss, you never know, but it's not like just because the Winnie the Pooh one had like kind of like a really hit and miss kind of thing. Like it's not like every single one is going to be like that, truthfully. I think that the Manny and Me packages, like the Manny and Me boxes, the subscription boxes, I think they are worth it. And I can't actually wait to get the ones in January, because I did put a hold on December. So I definitely do recommend just checking it out. You know, like I said, the link's going to be in the description box, but I highly recommend you guys check it out. If you do have like a lot of stamping polishes already, then you can just look into the Express, which is just the stamping plates and the stamping plates and the gift, like a surprise gift. And yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't much, but I really wanted to show you guys basically the like how well it would stamp, and just some of the designs that came in the bundle. And for me, myself, I really, really, really love it. I can't wait to do more designs with it. And truthfully, this is kind of like the type of set, like if you're into, say, like A Nightmare Before Christmas, this is absolutely perfect. But yeah, so if you did like this video, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell just to let you know when I do have my videos posted. And don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.